Hi guys, this is Tony from Alliance Specialties and Laser Sales, and we're doing tooling tips for Tuesdays. And today's tip is all about laser engraving. So when you're engraving parts for the mold repair industry and the mold making industry, accuracy matters. If you're off a little bit, it can ruin the whole project. So, and you only get one chance, right? Once it's engraved, it's engraved. You can't just delete it. So this is Jason. Jason runs our engraving department. Jason, how do we make sure that we don't have that problem?
It's actually pretty simple, really. All you really need is a Sharpie and some rubbing alcohol and maybe like a microfiber cloth. You're going to want to sit there, put Sharpie on the material that you're using, turn your power setting relatively low on your laser, and you can keep creeping it up. Essentially, you probably want to start off not making any marks and getting to that point where you are just removing that marker. From there, all you're doing is drawing like a crosshair. You pick it up and you go to whatever measuring device you have in there, and then you can measure your distance that you need at that point, and then just make the adjustments that you need. You can keep reapplying marker as necessary and make more marks.
So the nice part is it doesn't do any damage to the steel.
No,
it's just taking off that marker. It's that fine of a
Exactly.
laser. And then once you have that spot dialed in,
Then you can
you don't change anything,
make it
and then you
forever.
put
Yeah.
in your actual engraving parameters.
Exactly.
So that's our tip for today. When you're engraving something, make sure that you have the spot nailed in before you even start. And all you need is a Sharpie. Thanks, Jay.
Yep.